My name is Risha. Today is the 22nd of January 2024, and I'll be going over an article by Reuters, which is titled "Fed Hopes AI Fever Fuel and AI Fever Fuel S&P 500's Bull Market." So the takeaway from this article was obviously the bull market is back, or rather, it's been with us for a while. The S&P 500's record high close on Friday confirms that the index has been in a bull market since it bottomed on October 12th, 2022. By one measure. The index has gained 35% since then and closed at 4,839.81 after rising 1.2% in Friday's session. Signs of slowing inflation and a dovish pivot from the Federal Reserve in late 2023 helped to accelerate stocks' advance, sending the S&P 500 to a 24% annual gain. In recent days, a rally in chip stocks fueled by optimism over the business potential of artificial intelligence has lifted the index further. As stocks have tended to rise more than fall throughout their history, the S&P 500 has been in a bull market for roughly 85% of the time since 1950. The index has notched an average gain of nearly 260% during the 6 bull markets that have occurred in the last 4 decades. History also shows that the momentum that carried stocks to a record often tends to continue over the longer term. 13 of the previous 14 instances with the S&P 500 set an all-time high for the first time in more than a year. The rally continued over the next 12 months with an average return of 13.9%, as shown by ClearBridge Investments. That compares to the S&P 500 average annual return of 7.5% since 1928. The index's rally since October 2022 has been driven by Wall Street's technology-related giants, including Microsoft, Tesla, and the Google's parent Alphabet. Given their heavy weighting in the S&P 500, the stocks accounted for 62.18% of the index's total return in 2023, according to Howard Silverblatt, a senior index analyst at S&P Dow Jones Indices. All told, the S&P 500 technology sector has surged more than 70% from the S&P 500's October 2022 low. The communication services sector, home to Meta platforms and Netflix, is up nearly 60%. The S&P 500 put up strong gains in 2023, despite a lackluster year of profit growth, with earnings expected to have risen by only 2.8% for the full year, according to the LSEG data. But investors are counting on a stronger performance in 2024, with earnings estimated to increase 10.9% for the year. So this concludes my video for the news report, and that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.